will discuss next topic of that is how do organisms are reproduced, that is male reproductive part. Okay, this is a diagram of the male reproductive part. What are the different parts of male reproductive part? These are the tube-like structures these are called as a vasa deferens, and these are the sac-like structures these are called as a testicles, or you can call it as a testis, and this one, the small leaf-like structures those are called as a postal gland. Above the postal gland, the seminal vesicles are there. This is called as a bladder, and this is a male genital organ. Okay, or male genital part. These are the male reproductive part. So, if you want to understand the male reproductive part, you have to compare the male reproductive part with the female reproductive part. Then you can easily understand the topic. Okay. So, male reproductive part is consist of a pair of what you call testes or the testicles. Okay. What is the function of the testicles or the testes? These are help for the spermiogenesis. What is meant by the spermiogenesis means the production of the sperm. So, when the production of the sperms takes place in the male, it is already learned in the last videos. That is when the male body is reached to the puberty stage, when that particular body, when the testosterone hormone is released, and that time the testes are produced, sperms are produced, that is called as a spermiogenesis. That sperms are produced in the what you call, this is a sac-like structure is there. These sac-like structures are called as a testicles or the testes. After the production of the sperms, those sperms are transferred into the tube-like structure. Those are called as a seminal vesicle. After the seminal vesicle, they are entered into the vasa deferens. From the vasa deferens, they are entered into the seminal vesicle. So, what happens in the seminal vesicle? These are seminal vesicle with the gland. They are produced with a white color fluid. That white color fluid is called as a semen. Okay, when the sperms are entered into the semen, the volume of the sperms are increases and the motility of the sperms are increases. That motility of the sperms are increased by the semen, that is which is secreted by the seminal vesicle, and also semen is alkaline in nature. When the semen is sperms are entering into the female reproductive tract, the female reproductive tract is acidic in nature. It is helped to neutralize the female reproductive tract, and it is one of the key points to increase the chances of the pregnancy. After that, this is all about the seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle is secreted the white color fluid, that is called as a semen, and it is increases the motility of the sperm, volume of the sperms, and also it is also neutralizes the acidic nature which is present in the female reproductive tract. Okay. After that, the sperms, this is a leaf-like structure is there. This is called as a prostate gland. It will provide the nutrition to the sperms. After getting the nutrition from the body called prostate gland, the sperms are along with the semen. They are released when they are ejaculated. They are released from the male genital organ. From the male genital organ, during the copulation or during the sexual intercourse, female reproductive tract, that is through the vagina, cervix, and if the egg is present in the fallopian tube, then it is undergo the fertilization and reproductive system. If it is not, then the process will takes place. Okay, this is all about the what you call male reproductive part. Here, one thing is there, that is testes. Testes are where the testes are located exactly in the male body, means they are present in the scrotum, but they are present outside the body. Exactly, the scrotum is present outside the body where the these testes are present in the scrotum. Why? Because the temperature of the testes or the scrotum is very low in temperature. It is about 2 to 3 degrees centigrade. 2 to 3 degrees centigrade. As in our body is that the scrotum temperature is 2 to 3 degrees centigrade. This temperature, 2 to 3 degrees centigrade temperature, is very helpful to survive the sperms. Survival rate of the sperms is very high in the 2 to 3 degrees centigrade. Hence, the testes are located in the scrotum, that is outside the body. In the last year question paper, then I asked that why the scrotum is located in the outside the body. Why? Because the scrotum is present outside the body and the testes are located in the scrotum, because the temperature of the testes and the scrotum is like about 2 to 3 degrees centigrade, and the survival of the sperms in that temperature is very high. Hence, the scrotum is present outside the body. You can write it as an answer. And one more important thing in this particular in this topic, that is what is the function of the seminal vesicle as well as the prostate gland. Seminal vesicle is neutralizes the acidic media in a reproductive tract and it is help to increases the volume of the sperm and motility of the sperm. And the prostate gland is help to neutralize, give the nutrition to the sperm. You can write it as a answer if you ask the examination. More than that diagram is not, it is only for exam, what you call explanation purpose and all this diagram. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding the male reproductive part. In next video we'll discuss that is the sexual reproduction in angiosperms. Okay, thank you.